Niata sa lugar nga dakog lugar. Uban ini nga atong duha ka missionary, ang atong district pastor diri sa Tampakan distrikto, uban sa atong Cross Hope Channel. Saka kita nining lugar sa Alyong, Baklay mi, padulog Bungmal, hindi na magyud masulod. Luyo ni ining naghigwaos nga panahon. Madulom-dulomon, murag kahulugon ang ulan. Perti ka itom. Mao kining lugar sa Alyong, no? Og nalipay kita nga nakaabot kita nini nga dapit karong adlaw, pizza 15 sa bulan sa June 2023. Tungod kay mutambong kita sa Bungmal Adventist Academy graduation for the first time in the history with more than 100 plus ka kinder, no, nga mo graduate nining tuig 2023. Og abi ninyo ang usa ka naka-excite diri ngano nga excited kay kumutambong tungod kay naay usa ka book grade 6 nga mo graduate, no, ato ni siyang pamartsahon yun og taas-taas. And I know that the tribe of the Blaan, no, diri sa Bungmal, Gimlawis, Davao del Sur are so excited also to attend this memorable occasion, no. So sa tanan nato nga mga sponsors that represent the Seventh-day Adventists in the local churches, and even Mr. and Mrs. Riba Moore in the US, no, together with Mrs. Hoods and the husband, and of course together with all the sponsors coming from the US, and also Mr. and Mrs. Ed McKinsey in the US through the initiative of Mr. and Mrs. Winnie Abelia and General Santos. Thank you so much for your continued support, and of course to the White Horse Ministry, no, in the General Conference with Pastor Paul. Thank you so much, no, and Pastor Tim Saxton. Thank you for the big support that you have extended to the Bungmal Adventist Academy teachers, no. This is our 5 years of the full operation for the free education intended for the indigenous people children, no. So we are so happy also with Mr. and Mrs. Alan Juliano. Thank you so much for the sound system that you have provided for the special occasion, the graduation of our children, no. So sa tanan with Southern Mindanao Mission family, and of course to our President Elder Miado, together with Elder Indrili Yata, and our Treasurer Sir Adrian Hiramir, together with the directors, no, and all the workers of Southern Mindanao Mission. Thank you so much for your full support, and of course to the Hope Channel of Southern Mindanao family, together with the Adventist World Radio crew. Thank you so much, no. This event will be fully documented by the Hope Channel Southern Mindanao, and we will share this to you as our part of the history of our school, that sharing the love of Jesus Christ and through the free education. And we pray that as we continue to operate the school this year, we will have more blessings from the Lord. So God bless also to my family who is very supportive, Mrs. Romano, together with my children, Van and Kuya Ken, with the granddaughter Ashley Navin. Thank you for the prayers, and thank you for your big support to this ministry. So to the teachers, headed by Sir Roy Sumogat, my ihado, together with the registrar, Ma'am MG Gornes, and Yoyo Romano, my brother, and one of the teachers, together with Jennifer Lanciso and Sir Gomere, and Ma'am Kapitan. Thank you so much, no, for these fruitful years of molding and educating the little children. And I know you met a lot of challenges along the way, giving big support to this Adventist education headed by our church, the Seventh-day Adventist. We will continue doing this until Jesus comes, molding young people for the brighter service, preparing them to be a good leader in the governance of our church, and of course, we are preparing them that someday they will become also a missionary like you and me. Bye-bye. God bless. Happy viewing and happy listening. Thank you and more power.